Question words. Question words, also known as WH questions, are words used to ask questions about a specific thing. The most common question words in English are who, what, where, when, why, how, which, whose. Question words can be used to ask about the identity of someone or something, the nature of something, the location of something, the time of something, the reason for something, the way something is done, the specific one of a group, or the owner of something. For example, we can use the question word who to ask about the identity of someone or something. Who is the President of the United States? Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? We can use the question word what to ask about the nature of something. What is the capital of France? What is the meaning of life? What is the best way to get to the airport? We can use the question word where to ask about the location of something. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? Where did you go last night? Where can I find a good restaurant? We can use the question word when to ask about the time of something. When did the American Revolution begin? When is the next train to Chicago? When will you be back? We can use the question word why to ask about the reason for something. Why did the Titanic sink? Why did you do that? Why is the sky blue? We can use the question word how to ask about the way something is done. How did the Wright brothers fly the first airplane? How do you make a grilled cheese sandwich? How do I get to the top of this mountain? We can use the question word which to ask about the specific one of a group. Which one of these cars is yours? Which book should I read first? Which way to the bathroom? We can use the question word whose to ask about the owner of something. Whose is this book? Whose car is that? Whose dog is barking? To answer your question, there is no such thing as a question word in English grammar. However, I think you might be asking about WH questions. WH questions are questions that start with a WH word, such as who, what, where, when, why, How? WH questions are used to ask for information about a specific thing. Conclusion. Question words are a useful tool for asking for information. By understanding how to use question words effectively, we can improve our communication skills.